moving in or around Dallas. Start your journey with a smile. At Affordable Dallas Movers, we know moving can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're relocating down the block or heading across Texas, we're with you every step of the way. Our experienced movers handle your belongings with care, like they're our own. From packing and wrapping, to lifting and loading, we do the heavy work so you don't have to. Need help with a home, apartment, office, or storage move? We do it all. Families, students, seniors, whatever your situation, we've moved it. Our team is fully licensed, insured, and backed by hundreds of 5-star reviews. We show up on time, work fast, and treat your move like a mission. Affordable pricing. No hidden fees. Flexible scheduling that works for you. So relax, we'll get you moved in, moved out, and settled in no time. Call now or visit AffordableDallasMovers.com for a free quote today.